Wait, I haven't started it yet. Okay, it started.
Okay.
Let me say, this is Monday, February 10th, 2020, and my grandchild, Mac, who is 4, and I visit the fish. We don't tap on the mirror, the glass. We visit the fish as often as she comes to my husband Jeff's office. And this is a lady that is, can you now describe what you're doing, please?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the calcium and the algae out of the tank.
So this is maintaining the aquarium. It's a very nice aquarium. We have named the fish as Freddie is the one that follows us the most. And then Frank is the one that hides. There's a long fish that hides. And then there's 2 turtles. Tony is the one that usually is out exploring, and Teddy is the one that usually is within the little, I call it his house. So, what is your name?
Summer.
Okay. So now she's going to explain what she's doing.
I'm just getting them out of there because I'm going to put vinegar here, so we don't want that to affect them. Get them out.
And I know that Mac would like to be here when you do this, so do you have a regular schedule?
I mean, I just do them once in a while. They don't have a regular thing.
Oh, I guess we'll just have to catch you when you're in the act.
But that's all the turtles, I usually clean them up.
And I won't post this. It's just a private family discussion, so I'm not gonna post it on my YouTube channel in case you don't want it. Oh. Oh, look at, here they are. Here's our friends. Look at Teddy the turtle and Tony. Oh, they're just snuggling into their shell, being very shy. So cute. Hi, Teddy. Hi, Tony. How are you feeling? One of you is not very shy, and one of you is very, very shy. So, like I say, I'm not going to publish this, but I will put it on the family. And I may have to upload it if it gets much longer than 1 minute. I'll upload it into my channel, but I'll keep it in a safe place where people can't find it. Because some people do not want this stuff public.
Yeah.
So now look how she's cleaning. She's cleaning the windows of the aquarium. And are you a biology major?
I am not. I'm a communications and art major, but I work for I'm a bio study.
Oh, okay. So see, you could, Mac, when you come to U of E, when you get your college degree, you can get a job cleaning up the turtles and the fishies aquarium here. How about you, Tony and Teddy? Which one? Which one of you is the shyest? The shyest one for us is Teddy. He shies and hides in his little house. Tony is usually the one swimming around. When we get there, he is the one that greets us and meets us, Mac and I. So I'm going to say ta-ta for now, TTFN. We will see you when we see you. Thank you for letting us videotape you. All right, bye-bye.